Hey, Crafty Tan Van. So today we had got the giveaway package from Baby Author's Instagram. So we're about to open this up. So let's start opening it. It's Crafty. It's Crafty Tan Van. It's Crafty. It's Crafty Tan Van.
It's crafty. It's crafty van. It's crafty. It's crafty van.
Okay, let's open all this up.
Oh, there's some poppers.
Look at
There is a big candy.
Here's the gift card. Oh, here's some glow sticks.
And guys, we got whatever is this. Look, it's
Oh.
heavy.
I think this is silly string. Whoa. What's this?
We got
This looks like,
a dog.
oh, this is craft sheets. So there's like 10 of them in here.
We see.
This
Are
is
these
a
two
sour baby binky pop. It's really big.
Oh, we got a big
This
shirt.
is a shirt. Look at it. Whoa. That's so cool.
I guess that's it.
Remember this? This is the dad.
I got the pink one.
She'll get that.
Look, this is heavy.
We also have some Pop Rocks.
We also have this.
What is that?
Do you wanna
some
see what
sour
we got?
candy.
This? What is that?
This is slime, some silver slime. And let's look what the secret thing get inside this
Yeah.
book. They signed it. Let's see what it says. Congrats, Crafty Tan Van. Thank you for supporting our newest book. We wish you all plenty of success and get into lots of adventures. Whoa, and they signed it right here.
Yeah, they did.
Wow. It says Anaya. And then there's a heart right there.
And
Wow.
we got little crybaby lots.
It's a sour binky.
I want to see yours.
It's blue.
We got blue.
Okay, so let's start checking this stuff out.
Yeah. So my sister got a blue baby.
So let's try this. Let's try
Yeah.
this. Ooh, it's gonna be sour.
I'm so excited.
Pick that up. Okay. Oh. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh
I
my
have
gosh, I'm
this
so
on.
scared. Ooh, it smells good. Okay.
Let's try it.
Okay, let's try it. Ooh, that's good.
That's a little sour.
Once you keep it in your mouth, it would start getting sour. So once you first taste it, it's not
Yeah.
that sour. Once you keep it in your mouth, it starts getting sour once you take it out.
Okay, we.
This is good though.
Yeah.
Actually, I like it. Yeah. It tastes like blueberry. It tastes like
Okay,
blueberry.
guys, let's try these.
Let's try those. Okay, I got it open.
Yeah.
Take this out. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna try it.
Okay. Okay, there's some colors in here.
Yeah.
But let's see what kind of flavors are there. So the orangish yellowish is mango. The red one is strawberry. The green one is green apple. I think the dark red is black cherry. The pink one is watermelon, and the blue one is blue raspberry. So
Let's start trying.
I think I want to try black cherry.
I think I wanna try green apple.
Okay, get a green one.
It's all the way down there.
Oh, then get just one. Get one at the top.
This one.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
You got mango. Just
Okay.
put that one in there. Okay, so I'm gonna try black. Oh, so we both got black strawberry.
Yeah.
No, black cherry. I mean.
Yeah.
So let's see.
Mm.
The inside is actually sour. The outside is sweet. Cause it wasn't that sour at first, and then the inside, the white stuff is usually sweet, but actually it's sour,
Mm-hmm.
and then the outside is sweet. The mango one is really good.
We tried to.
This one, the
Try
Pop
poppers.
Rocks are crackling gum. So these Pop Rocks are gum. Mhm.
So we can start trying them.
Let's try this.
Wait, so
Whoa, the powder came out.
so maybe we
This
should pour
smells
some in
good.
our hand and then and then eat it.
Okay, let me see your hand.
Ooh.
Okay.
Mm.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
It's really good.
Mm-hmm.
So once you start chewing, it'll start forming into gum. It's really good. It tastes like strawberry. Okay, let's start playing with the slime. Let's take everything down, so you won't get the slime all over the other stuff. Start opening the slime. Okay, we got the slime.
So
open.
can I open it?
No, we gotta take that out.
You. And then I could take up this one. Oh, there's confetti
There
in
we
the
go.
way.
Whoa,
Oh.
that was close.
No.
Let me open the rest. Oh, let me get that up. Whoa. Oh, it keeps falling in. Okay.
Okay, so I can feel it.
Okay.
So first at a time, we're gonna feel it.
Okay. Whoa, I think that's jiggly. I think this is jiggly slime.
I think it's melted.
No, it is jiggly slime. Whoa, look at it.
It's still weak.
It's jiggly. Whoa.
There's like,
It feels so weird.
but my hands. Look at my hands.
Okay.
Let's-
Okay, so let's start playing with the silly string now.
It's getting stuck to my hand.
Let's get the silly string. Okay. Got the silly string.
Yeah.
Let's open this. Okay, let's open this up. Wait, we gotta shake it first. Yeah. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Do you want to spray first?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna spray it at each other.
What?
Do you need to shake it more?
Yeah, I think.
Okay, shake it more. You don't need to clap on. Oh, let me spray that too. Ready?
It get
Whoa.
everywhere.
Look, guys, this is great. It's great. This is so cool.
Wow.
Oh, it's spider web. It's like a spider web because it's gray. That's so
I'm gonna
cool.
spray you again.
Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching us open the giveaway that we entered and we won first place. And I really liked it. Like, it was so much fun. So, like and subscribe. Bye, Crafty Tan Vans.